Struggling to hit 4,000 watch hours on YouTube and unlock monetization? You're not alone. But there's a game-changing solution hiding in plain sight: Google. In this fast-moving digital age, Google's ecosystem, search, trends, ads, sites, and more, can be your secret weapon too. Drive high-retention views and boost watch time like never before. You'll discover the newest and smartest ways to use Google tools to skyrocket your hours, grow your audience, and monetize your channel faster than you thought possible. Today, we will talk about newest way to get 4,000 watch hours using Google monetize fast. So, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Why Google is the key to unlocking watch time. Google owns YouTube, and its ecosystem is deeply integrated with the platform. Using Google tools like Google Search, Google Trends, Google Ads, Google Sites, and Google Discover, you can drive targeted, high-retention traffic to your videos. Traffic that not only increases views, but watch time. The latest algorithm updates also prioritize user intent and engagement, which means smart use of Google's data. And platforms can work directly in your favor. 1. Use Google Trends to identify high-demand, low-competition topics. Before filming a single video, use Google Trends, trends.google.com, to identify emerging search terms in your niche. Search for keywords related to your topic, and examine their trajectory over the past 12 months. Look for rising topics. Breakout tags mean explosive growth. Regional interest to target localized content. Seasonal spikes for holiday or event-related videos. 2. Create evergreen, Google-indexed videos. Not all watch time comes from new uploads. Evergreen content, videos that stay relevant for months or years, can bring in passive watch hours long after posting. Focus on topics people frequently search for via Google, such as how-to guides, tutorials, reviews, educational explainers. Google often indexes these videos in its Video tab and directly in the main search results, especially when the metadata, title, tags, description, matches popular queries. 3rd, rank on Google search. With a companion blog post or Google site, you don't need a full website to boost traffic. You can use Google Sites to create a free landing page or blog post around each video. Embed the YouTube video directly and add relevant search-optimized text content. This increases your chance of getting indexed by Google Search and Google Discover. 4. Use Google Ads, YouTube Ads for targeted traffic boosts. While organic growth is ideal, a small ad spend using Google Ads for YouTube can significantly accelerate your watch time, especially for long-form videos. 5. Appear in Google's People Also Ask and related searches. Creating content that answers specific questions helps. You show up in Google's People Also Ask box and related searches. This is especially powerful when your video includes a verbal and visual answer early on, and the video is properly transcribed or captioned. 6. Get listed in Google Discover for viral traffic. Google Discover is a personalized content feed shown on Android devices and in the Google app. Videos that perform well and have accompanying articles, posts can be featured here, often delivering tens of thousands of views in hours. 7. Use Google Analytics to identify your best traffic sources. Connect your YouTube and website, if applicable, to Google Analytics to find where your viewers are coming from. Understanding user behavior, how long they stay, where they drop off, what content they click, can help you double down on what's working. 8. Embed your videos on high-traffic Google Index forums and Q&A sites. Platforms like Quora, Reddit, and niche forums often rank highly on Google search. Find relevant threads or create new ones, where your video adds value to the conversation. In an age where everyone's fighting for attention on YouTube and TikTok, Very few creators are taking the time to tap into off-platform visibility through Google index conversations. But the reality is, Quora answers and Reddit threads dominate organic search results, especially for question-based queries. Your YouTube video, when embedded in these threads, continues receiving passive views for months, even years. You get qualified, high-intent viewers who are already looking for the exact thing your video solves. This builds topical authority, helps rank your video better on YouTube, and strengthens your channel's position on Google. Quora. Paste your YouTube link directly. It automatically displays a playable preview. Reddit. Use subreddits that allow link posts, like Our Side Hustle, Our YouTube Creators, Our Productivity, or paste your link in the comments of a relevant discussion. Stack Exchange. Most stack sites don't support embedding, but you can reference your video and link it in context if it adds technical or instructional value. Specialty forums, like Warrior Forum, AVS Forum, or niche blogs, often allow embedded media if you're a member. Upvote your own answer with secondary accounts or ask friends to help. It helps visibility. Respond to comments or questions under your thread. If people ask follow-ups, create more content and post back with a second video link. Use ChatGPT or Gemini to draft detailed forum replies using your video's script or bullet points. TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer can help you find question-based search terms people are typing into Google. 9. Build a Google News-style content cluster around trending topics. Google's algorithm loves topical authority. Instead of one-off videos, build content clusters around a trending niche, like a new tech gadget, social media update, or digital tool such as Google Gemini or Bard. Steps: use Google Trends to identify hot topics. Create 3 to 5 videos and related Google Sites, hot blogs around it. Interlink videos using cards, end screens, and playlists. Promote them together as a series. When Google sees you covering a topic deeply, your authority increases, leading to more impressions, more clicks, and longer watch sessions. Google's latest search algorithms, including the helpful content update and YouTube's new AI-driven ranking systems, are built around topic depth and user trust signals. When the algorithm sees you consistently publishing high-quality, related content about the same subject, it recognizes you as a relevant authority and gives you a boost in both search results and YouTube recommendations. Think of it this way. If someone searches Google Gemini explained, and you have 5 related videos, playlists, blog links, and a video series covering every angle of Gemini, how to use it, features, comparisons, hacks, limitations, then you're far more likely to be served up to the viewer repeatedly, both during the search and afterward via the Up Next and Home recommendations. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.